This is the AI News Flash for April 24th, 11 a.m. UTC. First up, Meta is cutting 8,000 jobs, roughly 10% of its 79,000-person workforce. The layoffs begin May 20th, and around 6,000 unfilled positions will also be closed. Chief People Officer Janelle Gale called it part of a continued effort to run the company more efficiently. The backdrop is Meta's AI capital expenditure, ballooning to between $115 and $135 billion, nearly double the prior year. The cuts are meant to offset that spending pressure. Next, Musk is remaking SpaceX into an AI-first company, and it's burning through serious cash. The Starlink's operating income doubled in 2024 to $4.42 billion, covering losses in the space division. Reuters reports that SpaceX's cash burn profile looks closer to a late-stage startup than a trillion-dollar incumbent like Alphabet or Microsoft. Combined with a $60 billion buyout option for AI coding firm Cursor and a planned $1.75 trillion IPO, SpaceX is pouring massive capital into its AI bet. News 3. Intel shares surged 28% in pre-market trading to $85. Passing the company's 2000.com peak market cap climbed above $420 billion. First quarter revenue came in at $13.6 billion, up 7.2% year over year, beating the January outlook by $1.4 billion. Second quarter guidance is $13.8 to $14.8 billion versus analyst expectations of $13.07 billion. Adjusted earnings per share hit 20 cents, more than double the 9 cents expected, marking the sixth straight beat. Demand for AI-capable CPUs is outpacing supply. The CEO said Intel is even selling chips previously written off the books. NVIDIA's dominance in AI silicon may finally be facing a real crack. News 4. Canadian AI startup Cohere is acquiring Germany's Aleph Alpha. The combined entity is valued at $20 billion. Cohere shareholders will hold 90%, Aleph Alpha shareholders 10%. Germany's digital minister Wildberger and Canada's AI minister Solomon attended the Berlin announcement. Europe's retail giant Schwarz Group is investing $600 million in Cohere Series E, and the German government will serve as an anchor customer. The merged firm will operate dual headquarters in Canada and Germany. This is a major European bet on sovereign AI, aimed at reducing dependence on OpenAI and Anthropic in the United States. Last up, Europe's financial markets watchdog ESMA published its first 2026 risk monitoring report. Market risk, contagion risk, and operational risk all remain at their highest levels. Financial firms and infrastructures are increasingly being targeted by cyber and hybrid threats. Use of AI in investment services must comply with MiFID II regulations, and ESMA raised privacy and security concerns about how data is processed. Cyber risk and digital resilience are now core strategic supervisory priorities for 2026. Europe is rapidly building regulatory guardrails around AI adoption in financial markets. That's all for this AI News Flash.